So, what is a test manager? What does he do? Probably the test manager is going more and more in the direction of a facilitator, making sure that the team can do the work, that there are no big issues, that they are being protected, at least to a certain extent, for the stakeholders, for the outside world. That is not always that good, and not always that nice to you, probably, but okay. What does the test manager do? Maybe to check on progress every day. So how do we proceed with our activities, test cases and other stuff? And how do we make sure that we are somehow achieving our goals? Our goals in testing, like informing the stakeholders, but also, to a certain extent, we want to find defects, of course, or we want to show regulatory compliancy, we want to make sure that we build trust, that we are informing on risks and quality. Again, that may be the most important thing. Now, that means that in the morning, that's what a colleague once said, in the morning you are going to check that the progress is there, that the activities are being done, that there are no problems. And if everything runs well, in the afternoon you can take the day off. I'm not entirely sure if that will work, because the typical situation with testing is that there is always something that goes wrong, that we need to take care of. And thus probably in the afternoon we're going to check what we can do, what makes sense, what doesn't make sense, that we need to discuss with other people about, let's say, measures to achieve our goals again. Like for instance, what can we do less? Do we really need to do everything? Maybe do we need to work overtime? That's what we don't want to do, but sometimes there is no other way around that. And how do we manage that? Or maybe we want to go for the long-term solutions, like for instance, doing something more on test automation, or making sure that we get new people on board that can do the job. And we need time to get them up and running, so no short-term solutions there. But that's what we also talk about in the training. So what are the options that you can use as a test manager to really, let's say, get stuff moving, get the project moving, achieving our goals? That's the most important thing. That's just a means of help, nothing more.